भोनी मैम नमस्ते। ओम शांति। Bonnie ma'am, where are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good. Yes. Namaste.
Namaste.
You are not visible.
My computer comes and goes. Let me try again.
Okay.
It sometimes gives me a notice that says I'm unstable
Okay. Okay.
and I have to switch off.
Yeah. Now you are visible.
Okay.
Okay.
No one else?
No, today also no one else. I don't know why.
Okay.
So let us begin the class.
Uh-huh.
Let us begin the class. Sit in
Yes.
any comfortable position.
Mm-hmm.
Spine straight. Eyes closed. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Om. Om. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cittasya
Yogena chittasya
padena vacham
padena vacham
malam sarirasya
malam sharirasya
cha vaidyakena
chavadyakena
yopakarottam
yopakarotam
pravaram munina
pravaram munenam
patanjalim
pantanjalim
pranjalim
pranjalim
ranatosmi
pranatosmi
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eye. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Shanti.
Okay. So today's our topic is Nadis. Nadi. N-A-D-I.
Okay.
Nadi. N-A-D-I. Nadi. There are three main nadis. N-A-D-I-S. Nadis. The energy channel, function and importance. The energy nadi is the energy channel, its function and importance is our today's topic. The energy channel, function and importance.
Mhm.
So what is nadi? Write down the Sanskrit term nadi. The Sanskrit term nadi comes from the root word nad, N-A-D. The Sanskrit term S-A-N-S-K-R-I-T, Sanskrit term nadi, N-A-D-I, comes from the root word nad, N-A-D, which means motion, flow or vibration, which means motion, flow or vibration. Just how veins and arteries, just how veins or arteries are important for the healthy functioning of physical body. Veins, arteries are important for healthy functioning of our physical body. Like that, nadis, N-A-D-I-S, nadis, weave, W-E-A-V-E, weave through our physical nerves, nadis, weave through our physical nerves as well as the subtle circuitry, that is yoga nadis, the subtle circuitries of the mind, of self and of the conscious. These are the subtle circuitries of the mind, of the self and of conscious, that support our physical, presence, from invincible dimensions, of existence, Clear?
Yeah, you mentioned three things. Sorry. You mentioned three things, that it's the subtle circuitries of the mind, of the self, and there was a
Yes.
third thing,
Conscious.
conscience. Okay.
Yeah. The body is filled with, the body is filled with innumerable nadis, innumerable, INNUMERABLE, innumerable nadis. The body is filled with innumerable nadis that cannot be counted, that cannot be counted. Nadis are uncountable. Tantric wisdom, TANTRIC, 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 TRIC, tantric wisdom state that, tantric wisdom state that there are 72,000 nadis. There are 72,000 nadis in the human body. 14 are principal nadis. 14 are principal nadis, out of which Sushumna, SUSHUMN, Sushumna, 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 Ida, 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 and Pingala, PINGALA, Pingala. Sushumna, Ida, and Pingala are considered to be most important. Sushumna, Ida, and Pingala are considered to be most important.
And that's goes up to the crown.
Yeah. And draw the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 energy channels, 7 chakras. This is Kundalini. Sushumna is straight line connecting to each chakra with straight line. And one nadi is Ida. Second is Pingala. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, thank you.
This is Mooladhara, root chakra. This is Swadhisthana chakra. This one is Manipur. This is Anahat. This is Visuddhi. This is Ajna chakra, and this one is Sahasrara.
Okay.
So now write down Ida Nadi, IDA. Ida Nadi. Ida associated with the energy of moon. Ida associated with the energy of moon and represents the feminine aspect and represent the feminine, FEMININ, feminine aspect.
Got it.
It represents the feminine aspect of our personality, and is often shown in color blue, and is often shown in color blue. It is in blue in color. Its color is blue. It is also the yin element. It is also the yin element, YIN, yin, yin element in Chinese philosophy. It is yin element in Chinese philosophy.
Got it.
YIN. Ida controls, IDA. Ida controls the function of parasympathetic. Ida controls the function of parasympathetic nervous system, NERVOUS, nervous system, which comes from activation of Ida Nadi that calm the mind and body. That calms the mind and body. Because it is related to elements. It is related to elements of calmness. It is related to elements of calmness and it balances emotions, feelings and memories. It balances emotions, feelings and memories. Clear?
Right, it controls the function of the parasympathetic nervous system, which
Yeah.
comes from activation of what?
Ida.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
And calm the mind and body.
Mhm.
When
Okay.
Ida becomes too strong, when Ida becomes too strong or dominant, tiredness, depression, introversion,
Mhm.
and an inability to see things, and an inability to see things with a clear perspective can take over. An inability to see things with clear perspective can take over. Ida starts from left. Ida starts from left. Ida starts from left of Mooladhara chakra and it ends at left. It starts from left, this point, moving through each energy channel and ends at left on Agya chakra. It's not going to Sahasrara. Only Susumna goes to Sahasrara. Ida and Pingala ends at Ajna chakra. Clear?
Mhm.
Okay. So this was about Ida Nadi. Now further we move towards Pingala.
Pingala. Okay.
Yeah. Pingala, Pingala Nadi. Pingala, Pingala. Pingala associated with energy of the sun. Pingala associated with the energy of the sun represents the masculine aspects of our personality and represents the masculine aspects of our personality. Its color is red. It often shown in red color. Pingala's color is red and it represents masculine aspects of our personality. Ida, feminine aspects of personality, and Pingala, masculine aspect of personality.
Mhm.
Ida associated with moon energy and Pingala associates with sun energy.
Mhm.
It controls the sympathetic nervous system. It controls the sympathetic nervous system. And Ida controlling the parasympathetic. Pingala controls sympathetic nervous system and stimulates activities and planning of our body and mind. It stimulates activities and planning of our body and mind. Pingala Nadi is responsible for the logical, logical, rational, rational, and analytical intellect. Logical, rational, and analytical intellect. ANALYTICL, analytical intellect.
Mhm.
Pingala is also the yang element, YANG, yang element of Chinese philosophy. Pingala is also the yang element of Chinese philosophy. Pingala starts from right, from Mooladhara. Pingala starts from right. It moves through various energy channels, energy centers, and ends at right on Ajna chakra. Clear?
Mhm.
Okay. Next, Susumna. Susumna is the central channel of the energy SUSHUMNA. Susumna. SUSHUMNA. Susumna is the central channel of the energy in the human body that runs from the base of spine, that runs from the base of spine to the crown, that is Sahasrara. Okay, it runs from the base of spine to the crown and carries Kundalini energy upward. Here is Kundalini in 3.5 coil below the spine. It carries energy of the Kundalini upward as it is awakened through the practice of yoga, as it is awakened through the practice of yoga and meditation. How Kundalini awaken? Through the practice of yoga and meditation. And when it's awakened, it carries upward through Susumna and go to Sahasrara. It goes to Sahasrara. The color of Susumna is yellow. The color of Susumna is yellow. Susumna Nadi only opens and flows freely. Susumna Nadi only opens and flows freely when Ida and Pingala Nadis are balanced. When Ida and Pingala Nadis are balanced, then Susumna opens and flow freely. If Ida and Pingala are not balanced, then Susumna not flowing.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So balancing of Ida and Pingala is important for flowing the Kundalini Shakti upward through Susumna. Because without balancing of Ida and Pingala, Susumna not going to activate.
Okay.
Thus, the purification of all three nadis, all three nadis are important for the overall health. Purification of these three nadis are important for overall health, wellness of body and mind. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these are all about our Ida, Pingala and Susumna nadis. And our topic related to nadis is over. You prepared your assignment?
Yeah. Yes, I sent it to you today.
Yeah. On which topic?
Injuries
Injury.
in yoga,
Okay.
a lot of anatomy.
Okay. Okay. So once brief here to me.
I sent
And
it to the general email today.
You send on my email. Write down, note
Oh,
down
okay.
my email.
Okay.
Banwari Das. 1 minute. BANW. Is it visible? banwaridas2@gmail.com. BANWARIDAS banwaridas2@gmail.com. BANWARIDAS.
Is that correct?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay.
So once brief your topic to me.
Oh,
It is about injuries.
I think there's a belief in the United States that yoga is completely safe
Okay,
and there are injuries that can happen.
yeah,
Mostly that comes from poor teaching or too much energy from the student.
okay,
So it's important for teachers to instruct the students to be gentle, not
Mm.
to press and force or compete. And just to mention, I think the hamstrings are a common place to be injured, can get muscular tears. The spine is prone to injuries. The wrists and shoulders from too much weight. And the neck. These are all areas that are prone to be injured without care. And I mentioned the muscles involved and some suggestions how teachers can avoid this and watch for risk factors such as obesity or age, things that students that might need special attention, and to keep reminding everyone about modifications that can be made that might be safer for them. That's basically it.
okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Anything more?
No, I think that's it.
Good.
We spend a lot of time sitting in a chair, hunched forward, and
Yes, yes.
we get a little bit stuck, and it makes it easy to get hurt.
Good. So send that assignment on email ID. Any other
Yeah, I'm
question?
trying. I'll send it to you now. Here it is. Okay.
So today is your last date.
I
Last day of class.
don't know.
You don't know.
I haven't been able to go to all of the classes because
Yes.
of the time change and because I'm working. So I
Okay.
still have many to listen to, but I think I've done all the anatomy.
When you joined?
Beginning of November 1st, I think. November
1st.
2nd.
Yeah, 2nd.
Yeah.
So 2nd to 26th is the
Okay.
course duration. Second
Okay.
of the month to the 26th of the month is the duration of course.
Okay.
So today is the last day. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you for completing the course. And
I
now,
still have to listen to some videos, but I think I'm getting there.
yeah, you have a link now. You have link.
Yes.
Okay. Videos are always available to you.
Say again?
Videos are always available for you.
Yeah, I think some I listened to again. They're good. I've enjoyed it.
Okay. Thank you. So now I am going to close the session. Sit in any comfortable position. Back straight, neck straight. Head up, Gyan or Chin Mudra. This one is Gyan or Chin Mudra. Upward is Chin Mudra, downward is Gyan Mudra. Place your palm on knee. Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Closing mantra, repeat after me. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve santu niramaya.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Sarve bhadrani pasyanto.
Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet.
Ma kashit dukkha bhagavet.
Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face. Apply on your neck. Apply on your shoulder. Apply on your whole body. Relax your body. Rub once again. Apply on eyes. Feel the warmness and sensation. Slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
And thank you for joining the session and completing the course. Once again.
Thank you so very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Mm.